the day after or 2 days after. See how the atmosphere is very different now. The sky is dark and gloomy, cloudy, dead leaves and branches everywhere, no sunshine, no heat, bird crying for food, not tweeting, crying. I parked my car and now walking home. I miss you, Christian. I love you. The end. I'm gonna start cleaning up. Hopefully I carry on the tradition that you started. The dishes and everything. We haven't done the dishes since the day you left, so I better get our act together. I bought some milk. I'm carrying 3 liters of milk, so heavy, and 4 purple potatoes for Andrea. Okay. Love you, Christian. I miss you. I hope you have good rest. Visit Mom. I'm sure Mom will be happy, and Brigitte be happy, and Sam be happy to see you back. You had a wonderful time resting and sleeping. Now get some more rest, and you're ready for a brand new week of a brand new year at work next Monday. Love you. Bye.